36 Days of Type is a project that started in Barcelona. It's aimed to encourage designers, illustrators, and artists to create something new every day, breaking their routine by giving them creative challenges. Instagram users are asked to draw a different letter of the Latin alphabet each day. When they reach the end of the alphabet, they do the same with the numbers from 0 to 9. Each design is uploaded to Instagram and tagged with various hashtags like hashtag 36 days of type or hashtag 36 days plus the letter of that particular day. On the official account of the project, 36 Days of Type, the images that stand out are also uploaded. This year is the 4th edition of the challenge, and for the first time, the best images of the previous edition were exhibited. Furthermore, every year, well-known artists are invited to create a particular letter or number. There are lots of challenges like this on social media, most of them with a similar goal: promote creativity and network. Many of these projects are related to photography, but every now and then there are challenges to promote graphic design and illustration. I love lettering, so this project is ideal for me. Although I have to say sometimes it's more of a love-hate relationship. It does stress me out, but then I always want to go back to it.